Fuck you.
Come on, calm
I don't
down.
know why you guys took my spot. I was coming. I wasn't leaving. So
No, I said you came in and then you went out. Then you came in. We thought that you were leaving.
Why you say that?
all I was doing was trying to center my car. That's why I kept pulling in and out.
Oh, fuck you. I was the first one here.
No, you weren't, sir. You're wrong, sir. I have everything on camera. Even my Tesla cameras caught everything. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't lie.
I heard and saw you hit my car right in the back.
Oh, you think you're the only one with the phone? I was fuck you first, so fuck
You're
you.
not listening.
You're not listening, man.
Like I said, all I did was tap your car, and that's where I tapped it, right behind it.
Oh, fuck you.
Calm down. I don't mean to upset you.
Oh, fuck you.
Papa, just
sir,
calm
come
down
on.
before you get a stroke. Go.
If I fall, I'm gonna fuck you.
Sir, I don't want you to fall, and I surely don't want
Come
you
on,
to do
Papa.
it.
Come on, let's go. Calm down.
Oh, fuck you.
Get a stroke.
Sir,
Come
I
on.
understand.
Come on.
I don't want any trouble. I just want you to calm down. I don't want anything else further to happen.
No,
Please.
Papa. I'm sorry. Calm down. I'm
Please,
sorry.
sir.
Get one.
Oh, fuck you.